We'll guide you through how to contact the TikTok support team. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok. So perhaps something isn't working correctly or you need help with something. And so you want to go and get in contact with TikTok's customer service and their support team. We're going to guide you through this step by step on how it's done. So without any further ado, let's get started. So come to the bottom right of TikTok and press profile and you're brought onto your profile page. Come to the top right and you can go and press the 3 lines. This side list of options opens up. Go down and find settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down until you find the section for support and about, and in here go and press help center. You can go and see if you can go and find what you need help with here. Otherwise, if you can't, you can press chat with us and you can go and type in your query. And that will once again see if you can be helped with the AI. But if you're finding the AI is not solving the problem and you want to go and contact somebody in the support team, you can type in talk to human. We'll go and shortly get a pop-up from the support saying describe your issue to submit a ticket. So press submit a ticket, and what you can then do is go and type in what you want to and press submit. And that'll then go and open the ticket, and TikTok will hopefully get back to you